Wheelbarrow planters are a creative and decorative way to display plants in your garden or outdoor space. They are typically made from old or repurposed wheelbarrows that are no longer functional for their original purpose. Instead of hauling dirt and materials, these wheelbarrows are filled with soil and plants to create a charming and mobile garden feature. Here are some steps to create a wheelbarrow planter. Select a wheelbarrow. Find an old wheelbarrow that you no longer use or purchase one from a thrift store or garden center. The size and style of the wheelbarrow can vary, allowing you to customize the look of your planter. Prepare the wheelbarrow. Clean the wheelbarrow thoroughly to remove any rust, dirt, or debris. You may want to repaint it with weather resistant paint to give it a fresh look and protect it from the elements. Drainage. To prevent overwatering and root rot, make sure your wheelbarrow planter has proper drainage. Drill several holes in the bottom of the wheelbarrow to allow excess water to escape. Soil and plants. Fill the Fill the wheelbarrow with the good quality potting mix or garden soil. Select a variety of plants that suit your climate and preferences. You can plant flowers, herbs, succulents, or even vegetables. Be mindful of the size of the wheelbarrow. Overcrowding can impede plant growth. Arrangements. Arrange the plants in a visually pleasing way, considering their growth habits and colors. Taller plants can be placed towards the back of the wheelbarrow, while shorter ones can be towards the front. Maintenance. Regularly water and fertilize your wheelbarrow planter as needed. Just like any other container garden, pay attention to the specific care requirements of the plants you have chosen. Placement. Wheelbarrow planters are mobile, so you can move them around your garden to change the scenery or provide the plants with optimal sunlight. Consider the sun and shade requirements of your chosen plant when deciding where to place our wheelbarrow planter. Decorative touches. To add extra flair, you can decorate your wheelbarrow planter with decorative stones, mulch, or even paint designs on the wheelbarrow itself. Personalize it to fit your garden style. Wheelbarrow planters are not only functional but also a charming addition to your garden or outdoor space. They can add a rustic or whimsical touch depending on your choice of wheelbarrow and plants. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a beginner, creating a wheelbarrow planter can be a fun and rewarding project.